Hey guys, how's everybody doing? It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say like, subscribe, and comment. I'm just gonna get straight to it. There's a very high chance that before summer, before roughly June, July, we do see a drop to 350, 315. As of right now, target for me, not yet, but very, very likely that we could drop another 10, 20% before by the end of May, beginning of June. So usually what happens is I look at my indicators for a really good short on the monthly, right? As of right now, the SPX has already closed the weekly bear, right? And if you actually shorted it last week on the close was at 3969. Obvious right now, you would have been obviously in the money. If you would have shorted the whole way up today or even yesterday, you would have shorted everything. You would have caught perfect shorts. You would have been shorting all the way down. I do think this weekly close is going to take us straight into the possibility of closing a monthly bear trigger, more than likely by March, maybe. And again, this is a forecast based off of the high of, or roughly the current price of this month, right? Of February. Today's the last day. So this is just looking at the price of the end of February. We could see, we could see March, which is going to be tomorrow, right? I think March is tomorrow. Yeah, March is going to be tomorrow. So we actually could see March give us a bear trigger, or at least an early indication of a bear trigger. In which case, if we do that within 90 days or so, after we close that bear trigger, I'm gonna come back and let you guys know, obviously. But there's a very, very high probability we're getting really close to closing that monthly bear trigger, which means that we could go on and possibly go back to maybe like another 6 month, 1 year out bear market. And that's basically just off of the indicators. Very, very rare that they're wrong. So as of right now, as soon as that monthly bear closes, we are going to see some extraordinary pain in the market, and there's a very high chance that we actually go down to 315 and 355, which are roughly back to the previous lows that we had recently, for this year or for last year, and quite possibly all the way back to 315, which would roughly be around that same, these same highs right here. I would actually call more of a 313 price target, because that's actually your order block from COVID. So just fair warning that the next couple of months, depending on how we close, might potentially get extremely, extremely tough. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.